C# classes. A C# class can contain fields to store data, properties to access data safely, methods to define behavior, constructors to initialize data. All these members work together to represent a real-world entity in code. This is a fruit class diagram, where the fruit class has some fields and methods. Let's take a simple example. A fruit class can represent a real-world fruit. It may contain fields like price, name, and availability status. It may also contain methods to display information or update data. This shows how a class groups data and behavior together. Fields are variables declared inside a class. It is also called data member. They store information related to the object. For example, a class representing a fruit may have fields such as price, name, and availability. Fields define the state of an object. You can initialize an attribute and variable of a class in such a way. Fruit name is a field that has a value mango. A constructor is a special method that runs automatically when an object is created. It has the same name as the class and is used to initialize fields and properties. Constructors ensure that an object starts in a valid and usable state. Destructor is also a special method that called when object, instance of class is destroyed. They contain logic and perform actions such as calculations or displaying data. Methods make classes functional and interactive. For example, a method can display fruit details or check availability. Once a class is defined, we can create objects from it. Each object has its own data, but all objects share the same class structure. This allows us to model multiple real-world items using one class definition. Classes provide code reusability, better organization, improved security through encapsulation, easy maintenance and expansion. They are the foundation of professional C# development. To summarize, a class in C# is a blueprint that defines data and behavior. It helps create organized, reusable, and maintainable applications. Understanding classes is essential before learning advanced C# concepts. Thank you for listening. Thank you. This end of C# classes.